Добрый вечер, Russian lovers. Selamat malam, Russian lovers. Today, I will show you how I cut pineapple. Because tomorrow I'm going to blend this to make a pineapple jam for my pineapple cookies. So it will be the recipe from my mom for pineapple jam and pineapple cookies. But I will make it for jam tomorrow. Just cut it because it's already yellow. Ini ya. Nah, jadi malam ini saya akan potong nanasnya karena ini udah menguning. Before we bought a bit green, so already around 1 day already faster. See, look, still firm. So whenever you want to choose the one that still green, but not too green. But if you are in Indonesia, choose that already yellow because yellow already sweet and it is good. Yellow but still firm, it is good pineapple. But here, if you're in Russia or in foreign country, try to choose that still has a green one. So because it's easy to get yellow. Yeah. Ini already discount for almost 100 ruble, 99 ruble sekitar itu atau 89 ruble, I forgot. So this is less than 100 ruble, but already discount. Usually more than that sih. Nah, ini pilih yang dia masih nggak lembut ya, bagus ya. Nah, sekarang what we have to do, we have to take this. Kita akan ambil batang ini. Or you just cut it like that. But first you may wash, and then we are going to peel this. Nah, ini ya, nanti saya akan bikin kue nanas. Pertama-tama saya akan bikin selai nanas resep mama saya, kemudian saya akan bikin kue nanas, kue kering nanas resep mama saya juga. But kue nanas later, so for pineapple cookies later. So tomorrow if already blend this and I have time, I'm going to make pineapple jam. To make pineapple jam, you only need here. Since I only have one pineapple, so I'm going to use blender. So I'm going to blend all. If you have more than one pineapple, then to get good texture, you may use grater. Jadi kalau cuma satu nanasnya itu gunakan blender, jadi terpakai semua. Tapi kalau misalnya nanasnya lebih daripada satu, yang batang putihnya itu dibuang. Kemudian gunakan parutan kelapa itu ya, for coconut girl, to make a good texture. But I don't use because I only have one pineapple. Pineapple is expensive here. Jadi nah situ mahal ya. Okay, so what you have to do for pineapple jam, you only have to prepare margarine or butter. Here I use butter, but in Indonesia you can use mentega. Bisa pakai merek apa aja ya. Kemudian cinnamon, fresh cinnamon like this. Ini ya. And cloves. Kemudian cengkeh. In Russia gvozdika selaya. Nah, kemudian cengkeh, cloves, and then of course you need salt, just a pinch of salt, garam, kemudian gula pasir, and then sugar. Okay, but this one we only need 1 tablespoon of butter or margarine. Jadi kita cuma butuh 1 sendok makan aja. Okay, if you have land, biggest land, you can put this one into your land, into soil, put like that, and it will grow. It seems so because I ever saw, but who knows, you may try. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya punya tanah tuh, nanasnya jangan dibuang, bonggol atas kepala, bonggol kepala nanasnya itu taruh aja di tanah. Nah, ini udah. All you have to do, you just have to cut it. Use a sharp knife. It's hard. Seperti ini ya. Potong di sini ya. But make sure don't make it too thick, otherwise you will lose your pineapple flesh. Jadi seperti ini. So peel all until all over, sampai dia apa namanya, sampai dia bersih. Okay, done. Not so good, but it's okay, no problem. So here there is slanted one like this, so all you have to do, you just have to follow this line and then cut it, but make sure don't cut deeper. Jadi yang sesudah ini kita akan potong mengikuti alurnya ini ya, dia miring-miring ke sini, jangan ke sini, motongnya kayak gini. Nah, jadi seperti ini misalnya. I'm going to show you like this. Jadi dia ini sih ketebalan ya, udahlah. Nah, jadi seperti ini. Nah, okay, like this. Jadi dia mengikuti alurnya nih. Nah, jadi kita nggak ini, so what do you call this one? This is pineapple eyes. So if you don't cut, it will be not good. Yeah, it can scratch your tongue, of course. Nah ya. You see this one? Ini sampai dia, jangan pastikan jangan terlalu dalam motongnya. Nah, ini seperti ini. Jadi mengikuti alur dari nanas sini. Bahasa Indonesianya nanas, kalau kita ngomongnya nanas. So Indonesian call this nanas or the right, or nanas. Common name is nanas, but the right one is nanas. Nah, jadi seperti ini ya. Udah gitu aja. After already you slanted this one, all you have to do, shower with warm water or just cook water or pot. Jadi seperti itu ya. Sesudah semuanya dipotong yang ininya, nah kemudian kita siram dengan air hangat atau air masak. Udah, kemudian dipotong-potong dan di blender, and then you just cut it and you use blender, or you just cut it and then you just grate it like that. Okay, I already cut and already clean this. Jadi saya sudah bersihkan ya dengan air masak, air yang filter juga nggak apa-apa, so filter water is okay. So you just prepare this one and then cut it. You can cut, for example, here. See, like this, and then you cut like this. Oops, pastikan yang matanya itu jangan ada matanya, karena dia akan bagus cepat nanti hasilnya. Nah, ini kalau yang ada busuk-busuknya itu dihilangkan. Udah gitu aja, so you can cut like this. So I'm not going to use this all. I'm going to use just half, because half my husband will eat this. Nah, jadi seperti ini ya. Tada, ini cantik sekali. Udah gitu aja. Kalau yang ada putih-putihnya seperti ini, if you found this white like this, get rid of this. Jadi kalau ada putih-putihnya itu bersihkan ya, jangan sampai masuk busuk nanti, menghasilkan yang gak bagus nanti. Dah gitu aja. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to proceed this by using blender, dengan menggunakan blender. Okay. So I already blend using blender for my pineapple. If you are using blender, cut into small pieces so it's easy for your blender to mix. Jadi kalau pakai blender potong kecil-kecil ya, kalau enggak dia susah untuk di blender. Nah ini saya ada 1 sendok makan mentega atau butter ya, so I put 1 tablespoon of butter. You can use mentega if Indonesia is called any kind of that. And then a pinch of salt, sejumput garam, kemudian kayu manis, cinnamon. I put 1, I cut, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5 cloves. Jadi 5 cengkeh, 1 batang aja kayu manisnya. Udah. And then we stir. You use a small fire. For sugar later we add for sugar. Otherwise it will be easy to get brown. Kalau kita masukkan gulanya terlebih dahulu, dia nanti akan cepat coklat dan ngutang ya. Namanya hangus. Nah, ini harus sering-sering diaduk. All you have to do, you just have to mix this. But you have to mix often, otherwise it will be at the bottom will be burned. Kalau nggak diaduk dia akan apa namanya, akan coklat alias angus di bawahnya tuh. Nih ya. Already dry a bit, so I already put 3 tablespoons of sugar here, and then you just stir again. Nah sekarang dia sudah mengering ya, baru kita tambahkan gula pasirnya sebanyak yang disuka. Kalau misalnya nanasnya udah manis, sedikit aja gulanya. So for example your pineapple already sweet, then you may put less of sugar. It depends on your preference. Wanna make your pineapple jam become sweet or middle. Jadi terserah ya. Nah untuk nanas ini, untuk selai nanas ini karena mau dibikin untuk kue ya, maka jangan pucat. Kalau pucat dia nanti kuenya jadi cepat jamuran. So if you want to use this pineapple jam for cookies, so make sure your pineapple jam not so pale brown. So you make it you should make a dark brown. Otherwise your pineapple cookies will not what to say, will not stay longer because it will be full of fungus for a couple days. Nah, jadi seperti itu ya. Nah, tunggu sampai dia kecoklatan sambil diaduk. So this one, if you want just for pineapple jam for your bread, just like this is enough. But for pineapple cookies is not enough. You have to make it dark brown. Jadi kalau misalnya ini cuma untuk selai roti ya, diolah sama roti, ini cukup kecoklatannya sepertinya cukup. Tapi kalau untuk selai nanas, untuk kue nanas ya, itu lebih pekat lagi. So if you want to make pineapple cookies, use 5 or 6 big pineapple. In Indonesia it's easy for you to find, just find the yellow one and cheaper, but here is expensive, around 100 ruble. If not discounts, more than that, 150 ruble, around like that. Jadi kalau di sini mahal ya, kalau di Indonesia kita murah nanasnya dan banyak jualannya. Jadi yang besar-besar kayak gitu, pilih yang kuning ya kalau di Indonesia. Nah ini jadinya satu nanas itu segini. So for one pineapple like this, small. But don't worry, if you, for example, if you already made pineapple cookies dough, but your pineapple jam just small, you can fill with other jam like strawberry jams or peanut jam. Jadi kalau misalnya adonan kue nastarnya banyak ya, sementara selainya sedikit, selai nanasnya dikit, bisa diisi dengan selai strawberry, selai blueberry, atau selai kacang. Itu enak juga. Oke. Okay, so this is it, the result of my pineapple jam. It's a bit too much sugar I put. Jadi terlalu banyak saya kasih gulanya, kemudian kelewat lama. So just one tips from me, because when my mom made, not like this, not too dry like this, it's okay, no problem. When you put sugar, make sure that your pineapple jam already a bit brown, so you don't have to put lots of sugar inside it, otherwise it will be dry like this. You still can use this, jadi bisa digunakan ya meskipun agak kering. Nah, tipsnya kalau misalnya dia udah kecoklatan, baru kita kasih gulanya. Jadi jangan masih yang agak kuning-kuning dikit, kita kasih gulanya, nanti dia mengeras. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. Usually I made not like this, but this time I don't know, it's too long, so don't make it too long, otherwise it will be dry because it already contains sugar. Jadi kalau misalnya kalau lama dia juga nggak bagus ya. So after all, I can use this anyway. Okay, I think that's all for today's recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and don't forget to press notification button so you never miss our update video. Jadi jangan lupa untuk berlangganan, kemudian di share, di like, di komen, dan ditekan tombol notifikasinya supaya kamu nggak ketinggalan video-video kami selanjutnya. Terus terjadi Resin Lovers, sampai jumpa lagi Resin Lovers, paka-paka. So here next day I'm going to fix again my pineapple jam by adding some water. Jadi ini hari berikutnya saya tambahin air karena saya nggak mau selesai kering dan susah dibentuk ya. Biasanya nggak seperti ini, usually not like this pineapple jam. So if you somehow your pineapple jam become dry, you just put water and then fix again. Nah ini sudah saya tambahin air, so already moist again. Nah, ini sudah pas ya, udah nggak keras lagi, ini udah oke. Already moist like that, you can turn on. Jika sudah lembut seperti ini, bisa dimakan. Okay, so that's the tips from my mom. Paka-paka. Ini hasilnya udah bagus ya, udah lembut sekali. So this one, can imagine, very soft. So you should try this at home. Now I can make my pineapple cookies by using this pineapple jam, the recipe from my mom. Jadi ini sudah lembut, sudah bagus sekali. Tinggal nanti bisa dipulung-pulung, dibulat-bulatin atau dibuat loncong ya, untuk dimasukkan ke adonan kue selai nanti. Nah ini very awesome. So the color is so perfect, brown like this and soft and moist. Jadi warnanya udah cantik banget, coklat ya, jadi nggak pucat. Kemudian kalau nggak pucat itu tahan lama, jadi bagus untuk kue nastar atau kue selai. Okay, you should try this at home. This is the recipe from my mom. Paka-paka.